In this video, we'll guide you through how to create journeys with Autopilot's visual canvas. You can either set up a new journey or use one of the templates available in Autopilot's template library. In our next video, we'll walk you through using one of our templates. However, watch on to learn how to create a new journey. Firstly, navigate to the Journey section of Autopilot. Then click the green plus button in the lower right-hand corner. Building a journey on Autopilot's visual canvas is as simple as drawing out your customer journey on a whiteboard. Let's use Bob Bobson Jr. from Bob's Boats as our example again. We'll create a simple journey for Bob's newsletter. Every journey has to start with a trigger. The trigger tells us who should be in the journey and when. Bob has a list of newsletter subscribers that he wants to send his monthly newsletter to. So we'll start this journey with a list trigger. When the trigger is on the canvas, you can click on it to see the configuration options. For the list trigger, we need to select the list we want the trigger to fire to. The exclamation mark will disappear, showing that the shape has been configured. Next, we want to add an action shape. Let's select the Send Email shape and drag it into the canvas. We then need to configure this shape with the correct email. We could create a new newsletter or select one previously created from the drop-down box. Bob has already created his newsletter, so we just need to select it from the list. To ensure that his contacts are reading his newsletters, Bob wants to send a follow-up to contacts that haven't opened the email in 48 hours. To do this, Bob adds a delay shape, so contacts will wait 48 hours before progressing into the next shape. After the delay, we add in an email status condition check. We only want to progress contacts that haven't opened the initial email. Contacts that have opened this previous email will be stopped by the condition check and not continue to progress in the journey. For the second send email shape, Bob selects the monthly newsletter follow-up email. This email is basically a duplicate of the first email, but with a change in the subject line and the images and the text. It gives him another chance to catch his contact's eye in their inbox. We then connect all the shapes together. For the send email action, we use the on-send option. For the check email status condition, we'll use has not opened as the pathway. Now that we're satisfied with how the journey flows, click Publish Journey in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. A pop-up will appear telling you how many contacts are going to be triggered into the journey. This is a great way to confirm you've got your triggers set up correctly. Once your journey is published, you can follow the progression of your contacts using Live View. Navigate to Live View in the top right-hand corner of the canvas. You'll see numbers appear at the bottom of your shapes. The numbers on the bottom left tell you how many contacts have entered the shape, and on the bottom right, you'll see how many contacts have been stopped in that shape or are currently captured within that shape. And that's creating a journey.